The approximately 250,000 Filipino OFWs in Taiwan have enjoyed a truly convenient working environment and decent pay, much of which is sent back to the country and helps keep the economy afloat. Thus, the government is sparing no effort or resource to get all of them back home safely should a worst-case scenario unfold. As we hear more from our Daniel Manalastas.
Senators want to make sure that the government is ready in case China does invade Taiwan, which may affect many of our overseas Filipino workers.
Importante kung merong invasion na mangyari. At tingin ko mangyari yan. No? I think dahil nangyari sa Ukraine, may embolden ng China na mangyari rin yan sa Taiwan. So ang unang-una nating concern ay yung mga OFWs natin, paano pabalikin sila kaagad dito sa ating bansa. Kung na-invade ang Ukraine ng isang bansa, may embolden yung iba't ibang bansa rin.
Senator Joel Villanueva said the safety and security of our countrymen should be the top priority. He urged the Department of Migrant Workers and the Department of Foreign Affairs to expand their protection for our kababayans in Taiwan.
May kasabihan po tayo that it is better to prepare than to repair. Kaya sumasang-ayon po tayo doon sa statements na ginawa ni General Browner na dapat talagang maging alerto at handa sa posibilidad na magkaroon po ng Taiwan invasion. Tiwala po tayo sa malalim na pag-aaral, pag-aanalisa ng ating general bilang pinuno ng ating Armed Forces of the Philippines na meron pong mandato na proteksyonan, alagaan, kalingain ang ating taong bayan, ang ating soberenya at ang ating estado.
Senator Bong Revilla echoed the statements by his fellow senators, saying that the government should be ready for any eventuality, and if repatriation is needed, then that's what the government should do. Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel said the AFP chief should clarify why the Philippines is concerned with the China-Taiwan issue. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.